Welcome to the Drum Set Therapy Podcast. My name is Stefano Ashbridge, and this is a show about the challenges that come with playing the drums and what you can do about them so you enjoy your drumming journey. Visit drumlessonsinla.com for online and in-person drum coaching. Can you hear the difference between a maple drum and a birch drum? Today I want to demonstrate the sonic differences between different drum wood types. I'm going to include a link to a video in the show notes from Giulio Carmassi that showcases various sized 12x8 toms, each made of different materials, but using the same drum heads and tuned to the same pitch. That way, when you hear each one, the only difference should be the shell material. I'm going to play some examples. I recommend you use headphones to hear the subtle differences of each shell type. The first is a 6-ply maple shell. What is meant by 6-ply is that wood is cut into plies and glued together and molded into a cylinder. So 6 plies is a relatively thin drum. Next is a 6-ply birch drum. Now, 6-ply mahogany, poplar, mahogany. That means the outer and inner plies are mahogany and the middle plies are poplar. Next is a 6-ply maple, poplar, maple. And last we have a 9-ply, thicker drum made of walnut, maple, walnut. So can you hear the differences? Check out the link in the show notes to watch the video so you can see the different drums being used. I find comparisons like these useful to demonstrate the subtle differences that changing little things on your drums can make, but I've never been asked to re-record something with a birch snare instead of a maple one for a different sound, though. The heads, tuning, and even the hoops play a larger role in shaping how a drum sounds. Thanks for listening. Visit drumlessonsinla.com for online and in-person drum coaching. Till next time.